Here's a ceiling fan inside the Alpine Outfitters shop. That's it. Here's some fans in the Canadian tank. Anyways, here is a big ass Essence HVLS fan in the same spot where the this is the big ass Essence HVLS fan in the spot where the old Ultra Air HVLS fan used to be. It was installed to replace the Ultra Air HVLS fan, which stopped working somewhere in May. That's it. And here's the second floor view of the Enviro North HVLS fan at the north entrance of Pacific Mall. This fan replaced an Ultra Air in like 2014 or 2015. That's it. Anyways, here is the big ass HVLS fan at the Adventure Bay Water Park. Now this time, the second fan is actually off this time now. And the third fan is, if you can see it, it's still off. And that one is broken. This one is probably off for today. And this is the only fan that's currently running. I don't know if the Danville Goldmine and the Westinghouse Industrial is running, but that's it. Anyways, over there is the Westinghouse Industrial and the Danville Goldmine. And the third big ass fan is up there. And that's it.
Do you have triple A battery?
Alright, here is a Dayton Industrial ceiling fan at the Orlando Airport near the ride pickup area. This is one of many, ceiling fans here. Anyways, here are the big ass Haiku fans in the bus terminal of Universal Studios. That's it. There's lots of fans. I won't film all of them. That one's off.